Hello everyone, and welcome to the review of the new Xiaomi 70mai mini camera. This is a new dash cam released by them, and it's also called Mini Drive, and it looks like this. And you can see it's now really compact. It no longer features an LCD screen. All the settings are done via wireless through the app. The app also has live view, so you can adjust the camera and view the image and playback and so on. And it also features totally new hardware. It uses new image sensor and it uses new chipset, and both of them are actually rated better than the previous models. So this one actually has better hardware than the Pro version of the 70mai dash camera series. So it should be interesting to see how this thing performs. In the box you are also going to find the minimum needed accessories, such as power adapter, which has not one but actually two USB outputs, and that's really good because you can also charge your mobile phone. There's also a cable for connecting the camera, this one, and I think it has 5 meters if I'm not mistaken, and comes with this nice angled plug, so it will make the installation a bit more good looking with no dangling wires, or at least if you try to route the wires next to your windshield. And they also give you this tool, and this will help you take out the trim and jam the wire without actually destroying the car, and that was really nice to be included. The mounting plate, which will fix the camera, of course, and that is with an adhesive pad. And here you get the manual along with two electrostatic foils, which looks kind of this, and this is kind of the same material that you have on screen protectors for mobile phones, and this will stick to your windshield. You take the bubbles out and you are going to stick the adhesive pad of the camera on this thing. The advantage of using this one is that you can easily remove the camera and even replace it and put it in another spot of your windshield for a few times. The most important thing is that you clean the windshield very good before sticking this, and if you somehow want to move the camera in another position or on another car, it's possible to do with this without needing anything else or another adhesive pad. And that's how the pad looks like. It's very transparent. I did get some air bubbles, but I will take them out eventually. And this is the support, which is minimalistic, and the camera will just clip onto that. Very easy, there's no click or nothing, it just fits there and it's sorted. It doesn't wobble or vibrate because they have some foam pads which do not show probably on this video, and those kind of keep the camera to not vibrate, and that's really nice because my old camera doesn't have such thing, and it's plastic on plastic, and it will rattle and will make vibration into your video. Now I'm going to show you quickly the app. I'm going to skip the installation part. That is very easy to do, and it's fully guided by the app and the camera, as the camera has voice prompts, so it's simple. And I have live view here, which I was telling you that you can use the app to adjust the camera, the angle or the position. You can go in full screen mode also, and the image is very nice, very sharp, very clear, has good colors. And you have here some options to take photo or go to photo album.
Xiaomi has stopped recording.
And you get voice prompts for everything. And here it's the gallery. The camera also has a
Xiaomi starts recording.
parking mode, and that's really nice. The camera has battery and it will run on the battery for a long time and record events that happens when your car is parked. And in the settings you get sound recording options, you get the volume setting for the voice prompts, you get the recording duration, the system time, and on the advanced settings you have various things such as wireless power on sound, and video settings. In video settings, a nice thing about this camera is that now it has larger resolution. Of course, it also still supports Full HD if you want to use Full HD, but now it has bigger resolution and also supports newer encoding such as H265. It also supports for compatibility the old 264. This improves compression ratio a lot, still keeps the image quality very good. So you also have collision sensitivity. It will give you a warning when you get too close from the car in front of you. It sometimes works, sometimes doesn't. You have parking surveillance. It has motion detection. When something moves in front of the camera, will record. And you have wide dynamic range and the frequency settings. So not a lot of settings, as you can see. It's rather basic. I would have wished to see settings for displaying your license plate or turning off date or things like that, but they are not available. That's all. And those are all the settings. And that was it. Now I will add some footage from the camera, and probably I will also later add a comparison with another dash camera that I use and see how this thing stacks against the competition.